Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 15 life hacks for your kitchen, which will make your life easier. If you like videos about home organization and how to save your time, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Sometimes we use too much oil to grease a frying pan when cooking pancakes or crepes. But I have good news. There is a solution for that. Use a spoon rest like this one. Pour some oil in it and the cooking process will go much smoother. If you are tired of your microwave not heating evenly, arrange your leftovers in the shape of a donut and you won't have this problem anymore. Using a mixer can be messy, but there is a way to avoid it. All you have to do is to cover the mixer with a plastic plate. Do you like cappuccino? You can easily make it yourself. We are gonna need milk, of course, and any glass container with lid. Shake it well for 30 seconds, then microwave the beverage for 30 seconds more. And it's ready! Bon appétit! A rug is an essential item in your kitchen. If you can't find the right place for it, try a similar to this wall-mounted Saka toilet paper holder. Now I'm gonna share a do-it-yourself idea for decorating an open surface. Take similar to these glass jars, in my case I used yogurt jars. Fill them with decorative rocks and branches. And it's done! Don't you hate it when eggs crack during hard boiling? Well, it's avoidable. Just place eggs in warm water before boiling. It also helps to salt water in the pot with eggs. If you like to keep fruits in your kitchen, I am sure you are familiar with the fruit fly issue. The easiest way to get rid of them is to use a vacuum cleaner. If you want to organize foil, plastic and parchment paper rolls, I recommend my favorite telescopic tension rods. In addition to their efficiency, it also looks much better now. If you are tired of stubborn kitchen odors, use an air purifier and the problem will go away. I encourage you not to throw used batteries in the trash. It's a hazardous waste. Help to create a cleaner and safer environment by recycling the old batteries at special drop-off locations. In the meantime, store it in a simple plastic bottle. This hack is for tall cabinets where the upper space is almost never used. Install 2 of the previously mentioned telescopic tension rods and you can put something on top of them. Just make sure it's lightweight. Modern kitchens more and more often lack handles that we like to use as hooks for hanging kitchen textile. Solve this problem with the basic over-the-door hooks. By the way, you can hang your towel on the hook in a classical way or by folding a towel in half and hanging it on the rail. Loose leaf tea is certainly delicious, but in order to use it you need a spoon to scoop it with. You can use a leftover cough syrup spoon and keep it right in the tea box. Do the same for coffee. Potatoes tend to spoil before we can use them all. To keep it fresh longer, add an apple to the back of potatoes and store it in a dark place. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel if you like videos about home organization and of course life hacks, and see you next week. Bye bye!